So today we've got some planks here that we've ripped down on the table saw. They're 7.5 inches wide, as you can see, and we want to get a nice even look across the top of this door here. You want all the planks to be roughly the same length. So what you do here is you start on the left. I lay my 7.5 inch planks in, then go to the right. I lay my 7.5 inch planks in, and now I'll come to the center here, and I'm going to measure my overall gap that I have between the left and the right side. It looks like roughly 28 inches there. So if I wanted an even space here, I would do 28 inches, divide that by 4, which would give me 7 roughly for my board length. Get a little space in there, so I'll probably make them 6 and 15/16. And then I'll lay 4 even boards across there. You won't even be able to tell the difference between the 7.5 and the 6 and 15/16. You shouldn't be able to pick up that 1/2 inch variance. But I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Table saw set here, and a good reference, just a little note, is to use the rail here, kind of give you a reference to your blade. You also obviously want to check both ends and make sure you're getting consistent measurement to the blade, but this is a good reference here. I'm going to rip these boards down. So got all these in there, and you can see how uniform that looks. Now another trick here is you're going to have these little tiny gaps, and you can see I haven't put these in all the way. You see how they slide? So what you want to do is come back over here and make those gaps all about even all the way through before you nail your boards into place. Now those gaps, it's really hard to pick up on there being any gap at all if you get them just right. See that? Now go back down and see, it looks very uniform, and I'm gonna go ahead and nail that in place. We'll call it good.